How to fix system thread exception not handled. 8. Boot into safe mode if PC won't start normally. If you are stuck in a boot loop or BSOD, force shut down your PC 2-3 times until recovery mode appears. Go to Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. Press F4 or 4 to boot into safe mode. Do update or reinstall problematic drivers. Most commonly a GPU, network, or storage driver causes this. A. Use Device Manager. Press Win plus X Device Manager. Expand categories like display adapters, network adapters, etc. Right-click the driver and click Update Driver. If update fails, choose Uninstall Device, Restart PC. Windows will reinstall it automatically. B. Download latest driver manually. Visit the manufacturer's site, e.g., Intel, AMD, Nvidia, and install the latest version. 13. Identify the faulty .sys driver, optional. If the BSOD shows a file like nvlddnkm.sys, search that name online to identify the device it's linked to. Then follow the update uninstall process above. 4. Use SFC and DISM to repair system files. Open command prompt as administrator. Run these commands one by one. Bash. Copy. Edit. SFC scan no. DISM online cleanup image restore health. These fix corrupted system files that might be triggering the error. 5. Disable fast startup. Sometimes fast startup causes driver conflicts. Go to Control Panel Power Options. Click Choose what the power buttons do. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on fast startup. Say 6. Check for BIOS UEFI and firmware updates, advanced. Go to your motherboard laptop manufacturer's site. Look for BIOS or UEFI firmware updates and follow instructions carefully. 7. Reset or reinstall Windows, last resort. If nothing works, back up your data. Use Reset this PC under Settings Recovery.